They simply called it the graveyard. Jackson, Mississippi, January 1823. A federal land grant had established the city of Jackson as the official site of the state's capital, and the state's legislature set aside 6 acres of earth within the boundaries of the city for honoring the dead. Over the decades, the young capital grew, and so did the cemetery. From its original 6 acres, it grew to 23 acres. Folks began to call it the City Cemetery. And then in 1899, the Ladies Auxiliary Cemetery Association submitted a proper name, which was adopted at the turn of the century: Greenwood Cemetery. Some believe the name derived from the canopy of trees that stand as quiet sentinels, watching over the grounds. Within its iron gates sleep the architects of Mississippi itself: governors, mayors, city founders, men and women who shaped the state's earliest chapters, who now rest beside the soldiers who fought to defend it. More than 100 unknown Confederate soldiers are buried here. No names, no records. Only markers left behind from a war that tore a nation apart. Eight governors, 14 Jackson mayors, lawyers, judges, state officials. And then there's Eudora Welty, Jackson's own Pulitzer Prize-winning author, whose stories and voice captured the soul of the American South. A garden grows through these grounds, said to be one of the largest collections of antique roses in the country, a testament to the lives laid to rest, both the marked and the unmarked. War, politics, faith, literature, some names lost to time, but not forgotten. Greenwood Cemetery, where every weathered stone carries a story waiting to be heard by those willing to listen.